Oh my goodness, Katie.
That looks amazing.
This mascara has been out of stock for I think about 6 months. It has just come back in stock and I am just as obsessed as I was before.
People have been wanting this so badly.
This goes out of stock so quickly. So I've got to tell you the story. So I'm a professional makeup artist, if you didn't know. I'm Katie and this is
Katie.
And we work together at Beauty in the Boutique. So this mascara, I was first introduced to it about 5 years ago. And when I was first introduced to it, I was like,
pathetic.
I was like, oh, what, that? Anyway, another makeup artist introduced me to it and said, no, you're gonna become obsessed with it. And I was like, why? Look at the wand, it looks pathetic.
It's tiny.
Pathetic. But actually, the magic of this mascara is not just this thin wand. I mean, look, it's tiny, but it's also the jet black volumizing formula of this.
It's really intense black, isn't it?
An incredible intense black, and the size is the magic, because what this does, and we're going to show you on the other eye actually, is if you're someone that likes to wear eyeliner or likes their eye to look really beautifully defined and you haven't got the time to apply eyeliner, this mascara does the hard work for you. I'm going to show you. Katie's
It's super easy as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
Because like you say, that wand is so small.
Yeah.
You can get it so close to your lash line
Yeah.
that there's no messing around.
And the trick to getting your lashes looking really full is to get this wand, and because it's so small, especially if you're, you know, certainly as I've aged, my eyes feel like they've got smaller. This helps open them up. So just by kind of, you put the wand right on the root here and you just hold it there and you blink onto it. I'm going to show you.
I'm going to do mine as well.
Yeah, you do yours, Katie, because you'll see that even if I want to get a really beautiful natural look like that, it looks like I'm wearing eyeliner, but I'm not.
Do you know what else I love about this mascara? I didn't even know I had eyelashes on this inner corner part.
Yeah.
You know, those teeny tiny
Yeah.
lashes? I didn't even know
Yeah.
they were there. But it picks everything
Because
up.
this, you can just, you know, those big mascara brushes, they're great and I love them, but believe me, this, as a makeup artist, I use this mascara every single day, and when it ran out, okay, so when it ran out,
Stock up.
I was like, oh, what am I gonna do? This is incredible. So you can see I've just done a few little coats, but really focusing on that real base of the lash. And you kind of just rest it right at the root of your lashes, so you can almost feel the wand on the upper waterline.
You know, as well, when applying it, it's got almost like, it feels, I don't want to say waxy, but it's not really wet, so it's not messy.
No, but I will say, when I first tried this, it took me a while to kind of figure out the wand, and I also found that after the third go, the formula is perfection. It's like, you know, sometimes when a new mascara is almost a little bit, I found this the first 3 times of using it, I thought it was a bit too wet, but then on my third go, I was just sold. And honestly, as a makeup artist with, you know, what, I'm 22 plus years experience.
You don't look that old.
Oh, mate.
You must have been 2.
Literally, I have used this. I mean, I like other mascaras as well, but this, I'm never without, never ever without.
It's a staple, isn't
when
it?
I use it on clients, they love it because they can get that really pretty natural look. But you can see, I mean, I've used about 3 or 4 coats to get this. But look, it can take you from day like this,
Yeah, it's really
tonight like that, and
isn't
all
it?
I've done is I've done 1 layer and then I've just kept building up the layers to get that really intense look that I've got here. This is the same mascara, but it's almost like it will take you to every single volume length level that you want.
Yeah, it's just one mascara does it all, doesn't it?
It's magic. Now, I'm going to put the link to this mascara somewhere around this video, maybe above, maybe below, because this is going to sell out again.
Yeah.
And I do not want you to miss out, and I mean that, because it's kind of like just beautifully
It's just like feathery, isn't it? The lashes, they don't
really
clump up.
Pretty feathery. And if you're someone that's got quite small eyes, you can hold the wand like this and just coat the inner corner lashes. But what it does, I think the Intense Black just frames the colour of your eyes.
Like you say, you don't need an eyeliner particularly because it does that job for you, doesn't it?
Yeah, so getting ready in the mornings, I mean, when I'm wearing this mascara, I don't bother with an eyeliner because
I don't.
It kind of does the job for me. This is called Lord & Berry Back in Black, and I will put the link above or below. There's another one that looks similar, but it isn't this one. And in fact, because I as a makeup artist became so obsessed with this mascara, I begged them that I could get it exclusive.
Because I've gone a bit more natural.
Yeah, have a little look. Yeah, I mean, just so beautiful. You can build it up.
Yeah, get the look that you like.
Yeah, you can get the look that you like. Right, we will see you soon in another video. Bye.
Bye, bye.